students, welcome to our online session. So in previous video I explained you unit 2 addition, and now we will start doing the book exercise. Okay, so today we will start with a revision exercise on page number 33. Okay, we will start with revision exercise on page number 33. So here we have to do addition of 2-digit numbers with 2-digit number. Okay, this you have done in class 2. That is why firstly you have got as revision. Okay, now we will start with first one. A is 68 plus 29. Okay, 68 plus 29. 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay, 8 plus 9 is 17. So we in last video also I explained that while adding, what we do, we write the ones place here and the tens place we take as carry on the next value. Okay, so 8 plus 9 is 17. We will write the ones place here, and this 1 we will take as carry on the next value. Okay, so 6 plus 2 is 8 and plus 1 is 9. Okay, 97. Now B is 36 plus 49. 36 plus 49. Okay, 6 plus 9 is 15. 6 plus 9 is 15. Okay, so 5, the ones place we will write here, and 1 which is at tens place, that we will take as carry on the next value. Okay, so 4 plus 3, 7, and 7 plus 1, 8. Okay students, now next one is 54 plus 18. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 to 12. So we will write the ones place only here, that is 2, and 1 we will take as carry on the next place. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 will be 7. 72. Okay, now students, please turn the page. Turn the page, and now we will do D. D is 57 plus 28. Okay, 57 plus 28. 7 plus 8 is 15. So what we will write here? 15 is 5 ones and 1 tens. So ones place we write here. So we will write here 5 and 1 will come here as carry. Okay, so 5 plus 2, 7, and 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, then E. E is 65 plus 26. Okay, 65 plus 26. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1, 1, 11. So 1 at ones place we will write here, and another one at tens place we will take as carry. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 91. Okay, now F is 59 plus 21. 59 plus 21. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1, 0, 10. So 0, 1. 0 is at ones place in 10. So 0 we will write here. And tens place, at tens place we have 1. So 1 we will carry forward to the next place. Okay, so 5 plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8. Okay, do this, and if you have not done, pause the video and do. Okay, okay, Now G. Here we have to add 3 two-digit numbers, okay? 35 plus 15 plus 20. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 0, 10 only. So 10 is 1, 0, 10. 0 at 1's place and 1 at 10's place. The number at 10's place we carry forward. Okay. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. 70. 70 is your answer. H. 12 plus 36 plus 43. Okay. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. 11. We got a two-digit number. So 1's place we will keep here. And 10's place we will carry forward. Okay. So then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1 carry 9. 91. Okay. I is 43 plus 25 plus 17. Okay. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 will be 15. Okay. So in 15, 1's place we will keep here and 10's place we will carry forward. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 7 plus 1, 8. 85. Okay, students, please complete this work. Okay. Next question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is given here? Here we have got horizontal addition. Okay. In some of the questions we have to add the addends horizontally and we have to find out the sum. And in some of the questions we have to find out the addend only. Sum is already given and we have to find out the addend. So students, how to find out the addend? To find out an addend, we subtract the given addend from the sum. Okay. I will give you as example one number like 20 plus is equal to 40. Okay. If the sum is given and one of the addends is missing, in that case what we do? We subtract the addend, the given addend we subtract from the sum. Okay. So 40 minus 20 will be 20. Okay. 40 minus 20 will be 20. Okay. Now if you see the sum, 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Okay. If the addends are given, simply you have to add the addends and you have to find out the sum. But if the sum is given and one of the addends is missing, in that case we subtract the given addend from the sum. Okay. Now let's start. So A is 53 plus 25. 53 plus 25. Okay. So what we do? While adding, firstly we add 1's place. 5 plus 3, 8. And 2 plus 5, 7. Okay. So your answer is 78. Now B. B is 18 plus, the addend is missing here and the sum is 28. Okay. So we have to find out the addend, the missing addend. In that case what we do? We subtract the given addend from the sum. Okay. So what we will do? 28 minus 18. So 28 minus 18 will be 10. Okay. Now plus 10 is equal to 28. Okay, students? C is 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16. 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay? 6 plus 6 is 12. So we will write here 2, the ones place, and then 1 carry forward. So 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1 carry 3, 32. D is 26 plus 51 plus 3 is equal to, firstly we add ones place, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. Okay, now we have got a 2-digit number, so ones place we write and tens place we carry forward. So that one which was at tens place we will add with 2 and 5. Okay, so 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1 carry 8, 80. Okay, now D we have done. We have to do E, F, G, H. (23 plus 0). Okay, 23 plus 0. 3 plus 0. Whenever we add a number, this also I explained you yesterday. Whenever we add any number with 0, the answer is the number itself only. Okay, so 3 plus 0, 3, and 2. We don't have any value to add with 2. So 23 plus 0 will be 23 only, because whenever we add any number with 0, the sum is the number itself. Okay, then F is 41 plus 52. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 5 plus 4 is 9. 93. Okay, G is 81 plus 1. 81 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, and 8. Okay, 82. Now H. 40 plus 20 plus 40. 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, so this is 100. Fine. Now we will do the next one, and all those who have finished, fine, and those who have not finished, pause the video and finish this work. Now next question is, find the sum. The next question is, find the sum. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to find the sum. Sum means answer in addition. Okay, the numbers which we add, okay, 2 or more numbers which we add, after adding, the answer which we get is called sum. Okay, the answer in addition is called sum. Okay, students, so let's start. Here also we have got horizontal addition only. So 25 plus 10 plus 3. 25 plus 10 plus 3. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 3, 38. Okay, but we will add according to their places. That is 3 plus 0, 3. So 3 plus 5, 8. Now here we don't have any number at tens place. Here and here we have. So 1 plus 2, 3, 38. Okay. Now B is 73 plus 7 plus 20. Here we have 2 digits, here we have 1 digit, and here we have 2 digits. So firstly we will add numbers at ones place. Okay, 0 plus 7 plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So we will write the number at ones place here, that is 0, and 1 we will carry forward at tens place. So here we don't have any number at tens place. We have only one value at ones place. We have already added. Now we will add 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7, 9, plus 1 carry 10. Okay, and like this also you can see 73 plus 7, 80, 80 plus 20, 100. Okay, C is 14 plus 16 plus 10. 14 plus 16, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. Now we will add according to their place values. Okay, 0 plus 6, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So what we will write here? 0, and 1 will be carry forward. 1 we will add with the tens place. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3, plus 1 carry 4. D is 46 plus 28 plus 16. Okay. Now firstly we will add ones place. 6 plus 8, 14. Then 14 plus 6 is 20. 20, 20. So ones place we are writing here, and 2 we will add at tens place. So now we will add the numbers at tens place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7, plus 2 carry is 90. Okay, write it, students. Now we will do E and F. Pause the video and write it. E. E is 58 plus 12 plus 6. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So what we will here write here? 1, 6, 16. What we will write here? 6. Okay, and 1 will be carry forwarded for tens place. Here we don't have any number at tens place. Here and here we have. So 1 plus 5, 6, plus 1 carry 7. Okay, 76. Then F is 13 plus 12 plus 25. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7, plus 3, 10. Okay, so what we will write here? 0. 1, 0, 10. So ones place we will write here. 0 is at ones place. So we are writing here 0. And tens place what we have? At tens place we have 1. That one we will carry forward at tens place. Now we will add numbers at tens place. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 carry 5. Okay, that is 50. Okay, students, so we have finished question number 3 also. Now please take out your copies. Please take out your copies because we have to do the word problem. Okay. So word problem given on page number 34. In unit 1 also, when we were doing word problem, I told you that in class 3 you don't need to write the question. Okay, question you will see from your book only, but mention the page number. Okay, mention the page number, exercise and the heading word problem. things you have to mention on that page in your copy and the date as well. Okay. Now let's read the question. Tom wants to buy a bucket costing 38 rupees and a mug costing 29 rupees. He needs dash rupees in all. Okay. So what is given here? Cost of two objects are given. Okay. And what is asked? How much amount Tom needs to buy those objects. Okay. So what we will do? We will add the amount of the bucket and the amount of the mug. And after the addition, we will get the final amount which Tom needs for buying these objects. Okay. So firstly we will write the statements. Okay. And let's start. Now we will write the statement. Tom wants to buy a bucket costing 38 rupees. Bucket costing 38 rupees. The cost of bucket is given. So firstly we will write cost of bucket and draw a line. Okay, draw a line please. Cost of bucket is 38. Put the symbol of rupee here. Okay, put the symbol of rupee because we are adding the amount. Then, and mug costing 29 rupees. Mug costing 29 rupees. So what is given here? Here cost of mug is given. So our next statement will be cost of mug 29. And because we have to find the total amount to buy the bucket and the mug, so what we are going to do, whenever we have to find the total amount or total value, okay, or the sum of any amount, in that case what we do? In that case we do addition. Okay. So total amount is 8 plus 9, 17. So what we will write here? 7 and 1 will be carry forwarded. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 carry 6. Okay. So your answer is rupee 67. Okay, your answer is rupee 67. Write it in your copy in a proper way and please draw this line to divide the statement and the number. Okay. Now we will do the next one. Okay, now we will do the next one. So word problem B is Peter has 39 superhero cards and 17 cartoon cards. Okay, he has 39 superhero cards and 17 cartoon cards. He has, how many cards he has all together? Okay, so what you have to find? You have to find the cards all together. That means you have to find the total number of cards. So whenever we have to find total or the sum, what we do? We do addition. So we have to do addition here also for this word problem also. Okay, Peter has 39 superhero cards. Okay, so number of superhero cards are 39, and then number of cartoon cards. Number of cartoon cards is 17. So to find out the cards all together, we have to do addition here. 9 plus 7, 16. That is 6 we are going to write here. Okay, because when we have the next value to add and we get a 2-digit number as the sum, we write the ones place and tens place we carry forward. Okay, so 1 will come here as carry. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. That is total cards. Okay, and students, in exam when you get word problems, it is not necessary to copy paste this statement only. You can write your own statement, but that should be relating to the question. Okay, that statement should relate to the question and it should be correct, and never write the statement in question form. Okay, because you are writing the statement here, not the question, so never write it in the question form. Sometimes children write it in the question form and because of that they lose their marks. Okay, if you want to make the statement yourself, no problem. Okay, short statements, long statement, anyhow you can make it, but it should relate to the question and the statement should be correct. Okay, so finally your answer is 56 cards. Okay, 56 cards. Okay students, so here we finish our revision exercise. Okay, and those who have written, fine. Those who have not written, pause the video and write it. Now students, your homework for today. So your homework for today is exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Add the following. Okay, this add the following is given on page number 35 and 36 board. Okay, na? Exercise 2.1. Add the following. Add the following you have to do. Okay, from A to R. Okay, I am giving this as homework because it is simple addition without carry. Okay, simple addition without carry, but still one I am going to solve it here for you. Okay, so first one is 426 plus 352. Here we don't have to take any carry. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 5, 7, and 4 plus 3, 7. Simple addition it is, no carry is there. Okay, so for this chapter, this exercise is very helpful for your practice. Okay, without carry addition. Okay, proper revision you can do. So please do this exercise. Question number 1, add the following only. Okay, question number 2, write in columns and add, that we will do in a copy. Okay, so that I will give you, because you have to arrange it, so I will give you that in the copy here in our online class. But question number 1, add the following, is going to be your homework. Okay students, this is all for today. Thank you, take care, goodbye.